We climbed the tallest lighthouse in Florida. Who says we're old? Hey guys! Today we're in Daytona Beach and we're at the Ponce de Leon Lighthouse. And we're gonna walk up that thing.
We're at least gonna try to walk up.
We're gonna try. So we're gonna take you guys with us, and there's a lot of steps, but we have heard that the view from the top is unbelievable.
Yes.
So that's what we're going for. We're gonna go through their little museum that they have. I'm not sure what all's in there, but we're gonna take you there too. Guys, we're heading to the lighthouse. We're gonna walk up these steps. It is unbelievably high. I'm gonna turn the camera around and you can just see how high this is, and we're gonna try our best to get up there. 175 feet tall. This thing is massive. That is high, and that's where we're going. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Before you climb, no running, jumping, children accompanied by an adult, no flip-flops, high heels. Oh my gosh, there's no way you could do that. Use hand railing. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. We're going up there. Ah! That's where we're going. This lighthouse can be seen from 17 to 20 nautical miles and is still in use today. All right, here we go. Hang on to the rail. Knees, don't fail me now. All righty, we made the first landing. We're glad we're not lighthouse keepers and have to climb these steps every day. Oh Lord, I'm already out of breath. It's on the second flight. I'm already out of breath. Okay.
You want us?
Here we go. It's only the second flight. This is the start of the third. I'm already out of breath. I don't think that's a good sign. Oh my gosh.
We're just taking our time.
They say hold on to the handrail because, man, if you fall, it'd be a big fall. There's Keith right behind me. He's making it.
We'll stop here and take a picture going up.
Davis was climbing this thing at 5:30 p.m. and he had heart failure and died. Wow. That's not what you want to hear when you're headed up these steps.
Take it.
Here comes Keith. These flights are a killer. At least they have a landing to where you can kind of catch your breath. The lens in this lighthouse was once lit by a 5-wick kerosene lantern. And then we'll look down. There we are. Whoa, it's a long way down. Long way down. We slowly made our way up the 203 steps. All right.
Here we go.
Time
We're almost
for
there.
Another flight. They say don't let go of the handrail, and believe me, you don't want to, because man, it is steep. And if you fail, I cannot even imagine. Oh my gosh, we're almost there, I think. We absolutely made it. We might be old.
Okay, here we
But
are.
we still got it. We made it. This is called the watch room, and it's where the keepers perform maintenance on the lens and the lamp. All right, let's go out and take a look at the view. After walking up all these steps.
We'll
Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is Daytona Beach from the top of the lighthouse. There was an absolutely spectacular view of Daytona Beach from the top of the lighthouse. There's Joshua. He's sitting down on the bench. He couldn't do all these flights of stairs, so he's sitting down there waiting for us. He's way down there. There's that little, it looks like, I don't know if it's an island or if it's just like a little sandbar out there. There's nothing on it, so
smile.
Could just be a little beach. The beautiful view was worth the climb, and we always meet new friends wherever we go. The lighthouse continues to operate today as a private aid to navigation. Okay, we can't go up the last level because they have it blocked off and locked, but this you can see where the light is spinning around. So that's the lantern room, which we're not allowed to do there. Okay guys, we're starting our descent. Look at that, how steep this is. It is crazy steep, which that's why it was hard to get up. Now we'll see if we can get down without getting hurt. There's a good thing there's a landing between each one of these flights. That way you can recover a little bit before you have to start the next flight. It is easier going down than it was coming up, I will say. Now let's look over the side and see how far down we have yet to go. We have well, it's hard to see from here. It's not perfectly center. There's a whole lot of flights left. Guys, we're out of breath, but we're 3/4 of the way down. I see why they say no high heels, no flip-flops, because if you would catch your toe, oh my goodness.
It would hurt so bad if you fell.
They're very steep. So my knees are not what they used to be.
They'll let you know tomorrow morning.
Yes. Hey guys, we did it. We walked all the way up there and all the way down. My knees are screaming at me right now, but we did it. We may be old, but we can still do stuff. There were many historic places to see on the lighthouse grounds. The first assistant keeper's dwelling was a home we were not allowed to go into, but we could look through the windows, and it was decorated just as though it would have been in the 1890s. We then made our way to the gift shop, which was built in 1992. This has public restrooms and a water fountain. We went and checked on our son, and then, after walking through the gift shop and looking around, we toured some other historic buildings on the grounds. This tells about the lighthouse and the war, World War II. There's artifacts in here in glass cabinets. There's a uniform over here in a glass cabinet. And you can hear the music playing. It's the music from that era. And the little beep 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 is the telegraph. Morse code. Okay, so this is the generator room where they had power to run their spotlight, their lighthouse. Extension ladder, it looks much different from the extension ladders we have today. All of these tools look way different. Oh, we used to have gasoline cans like that. I wish we still had them. They'd be worth some money today. A lot of old tools, watering cans. A lot of cool stuff. Oh, wow. These are the lens for the lighthouse. Look at that.
I'm gonna go up there and video.
Oh my gosh.
You do the bottom for a second.
This is amazing. Five-wick mineral oil lamp. I guess this is the patent. The patents for these lighthouse lamps. And they would be in the top of the lighthouse, and that's what illuminates them, so the ships can see where to come ashore. History of lighthouse illumination. So it's changed a lot over the years from the earlier lights. Because I'm sure they were gas, oil. I'm sure there was a lot of different advances in their lighting. Can you imagine having to fill those things and make sure everything was running? That's why they had somebody in the lighthouse to do the rounds, making sure that everything was running well. We received a self-guiding tour pamphlet as we entered the grounds, and everything was numbered, telling what each site was. There were so many interesting things to see. So these are the drums, copper drums that held the kerosene. The sign said a year's worth of kerosene was held in here to run the lighthouse. And this is a restoration because someone vandalized, stole the copper roof, and burned the building down. These are the keepers of the lighthouse. This is where they lived. This was the largest of the principal keeper's dwelling where he and his family lived. Oh, and this is their pantry. Monday wash day. That was my grandmother's wash day. She did all the laundry on Monday. Why they chose that day, I don't know. So this again is the home of the lighthouse keeper, the first one. I love old buildings. Oh, here's another picture of the bathroom. Oh, they did have a toilet. Wow, this is modern. Because the other people didn't. They had that outhouse. They even had running water. Look at that. This looks like it was built onto the back of the house. so I'm sure the main part of the house wasn't. Did you see the bathroom over there? So it's just set up as a little museum. Show you how the lighthouses work and different artifacts they had back then. So very interesting little place to come and see. There's an old anchor underneath the water. This is the lighthouse grounds. They have restrooms over here and then several historic buildings. The house you're not allowed to go into, but you can see in the windows. And there's other historic buildings as well. It's around the lighthouse. It's pretty incredible. You don't realize how huge this thing is until you walk up and down those steps. My legs feel like jelly right now, but that's okay because we did it. Very cool place. If you'd like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen